Hi everyone, this is me Farhan. You are watching Farhan Pulse. What is ACP? Did you notice in every Suzuki bikes or Suzuki scooters like ACP technology? What is mean by that? What is the expansion? How it is work on your mileage and a better performance? Let's watch in this video. The ACP means Suzuki Eco Performance, which is the expansion of ACP will enhance your mileage and better acceleration and better power. How it is done by Suzuki Japanese company. Let's watch in this. What is ACP? ACP means eco plus performance. What is eco? Eco means mileage, giving more mileage by your scooter or a motorcycle. What is performance? Superior acceleration, which means when you give throttle, when you open the throttle, it will give a nice response by your bike. How it is done? It is done by a reduction of friction losses. The components like piston and cylinder inline, there is some friction losses can be carried out. By reducing the friction losses, your mileage and performance will be enhanced. Improving of combustion. What is combustion? Burning of air fuel mixture. How it is improved? By using a graded petrol and a good technology of way. The valve quality and the ports are very much good design. It will enhance the combustion. And then next, lightweight. By making the high grade materials with and reducing the weight, it will enhance the performance and improve your mileage. Then high compression ratio. By the air fuel mixture is highly compressed, it will leads to the high combustion rate. It will increase our bike's combustion rate. Then thereby next point is optimization of the cooling system. By in the Suzuki Access scooters, there is a provided with a fan cooling system. But in the case of higher cc segment bikes like Gixxer SF or Gixxer, there is given with a radiator cooling. It will enhance the cooling of the engine. How it is done? By the new development concept by the Suzuki, it will give a better acceleration and the mid-range power is very much good and a better smooth engine. In this bike Suzuki Access 125, you will get a better mileage and performance, so the people make it top selling scooters at this segment. The first one is Suzuki Activa and the second one is Suzuki Access. By this mileage and the performance, people are very much eager to buy the Suzuki Access due to the low end torque. There is low end torque is very much less, and the dynamic mid-range, the mid-range is very smooth and strong acceleration. When you accelerate, it will go like a butter smooth engine, and the torque is from the initial point you can get the torque from the engine. And the mid-range means when you maintain at 40 to 60, there is a smooth acceleration. When it comes to the Gixxer bike, you can use at the top speed of 120 km per hour. By this technology, it can be achieved. Thank you.